Microsoft Lumia 640. I'm going to walk you through this device and see if it's usable here in 2023. I purchased this device in 2015, paid either $29 or $19 at Best Buy, bought it straight out. It was a sealed package. It's about 6 months after release. And well, anyway, let's just watch this video and see. Microsoft Lumia 640 AT&T variant. It was AT&T locked. There's my lock screen. A photo I took with another Lumia device, a 950 XL. And here we are. My back screen has the same photo. And you see transparent tiles. I kind of liked those. With certain apps, they worked great. With certain tiles, they worked great. You can see what I had on my start screen the last time that I used it. And I stopped it right here. You can add more. Those of you that use this operating system, you know. Here's a scroll down to look at the settings. There's a bunch of notifications. Let's look at what's on the start screen. The weather app does not work. So what we'll do is when we go to the store, we'll look and see if we can find a weather app. Microsoft Edge we're going to use when we get down here to the Edge sites that I have pinned. Microsoft News. Let's go to it. You see it's changing information. It's working. It's a little slow to get into it, but there it is, and it's working. Okay. Press and hold the back button, swipe down. That's how you close apps. The Photos app still works, and it's pulling all of its pictures that you see flashing through from OneDrive. So the OneDrive app, which you will see in my app list, is still working. My pinned Edge sites, a folder that I set up that I applied or put all of my Edge sites that I went to frequently, I would put them in there. We're going to come to that in a moment. The Microsoft Store. So we're going to go to the store, and there you can see Microsoft 365. They no longer call it Office 365. Let's look and see what we can find for weather. So we know MSN weather does not work, and I would assume all of these apps still work. Let's look at simple weather. I have no idea. I don't have it, so we're going to install it. We're going to get it. Dave, we're getting your weather app. This title is powered by a great new feature in the free Windows Insider program. Blah, 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 blah. This device is already on Windows Insider. I'm not sure what this is all about. Let's see about this app. Okay, we're going to get it. There it is. It just got installed. Let's go check it out. Okay. We're going to take this time and go over to our installed apps. We're going to pin this to the start. There it is. We're going to see if it does anything. I'm moving on. But going to our apps, you notice how I swiped left to get to the all apps. And you can see as I scroll through it, you'll see a number of apps are unavailable now. There's still some that are available. I haven't checked them all. Battery X Pro. Let's see what it says about our battery. Discharging 53%, 55%. Thinks it's going to last 17 more hours. If I did not power down, it probably would not last more than 2, is my guess. Okay. Camera works. It's a decent camera. File Explorer. Get files. I can go to my device. OneNote works. OneNote is connected to one of my notebooks. That's all I have it connected to. All the sections are there. All the pages are there. The app is still functional. Now, all I did was put it into the background. It's actually still, if it were syncing or whatever, it would still continue to do that. You can see it's still here. That's because it is a multitasking system. Phone call. You can make phone calls. I put a SIM card in it, 4G, and messages should still work. Cortana does not. Word does, as do other Microsoft Office apps. Maps is so-so. Not sure what's going to happen here. It's putting me somewhere. Okay. That looks like approximately the right location. Edge sites. But to use this device, you're going to have to use Edge. And so things like eBay work. I authenticated the device. It is, so that works. PayPal works. YouTube works. Surprisingly, it doesn't look too much different than what you'd expect. So there we go. YouTube works. Yeah, let's just go do this. Let's go back here. Facebook, this is the only way you'll be able to use Facebook, and it's not a good experience. Facebook's made a lot of changes, and the app isn't, or the Edge cannot keep up with some of those changes, so it's not formatted very well. Twitter, on the other hand, while slow, still works. It says I got a notification. There we go. There's my home feed. You see it's slow populating. I have a good connection. I don't know What's the issue here? You'll note that these pinned sites have icons to them, and that's one of the things that Edge does, is it grabs that icon and makes it part of the tile. That's all I'm going to go through. It does work. It is not the experience I would want, but maybe it's acceptable to you. Some people are really latched in on this UI and want to stick to it. Okay, as you can see, that was running Windows 10 Mobile 1709, last version. And I'm going to do a few more of these, I think. It was kind of interesting powering it back up and putting it to use, though on this particular model, I can't say that it got more than 20, 30 hours of use. If you found this, I don't know that you're going to find it useful, but if you found it entertaining, likes, comments, tell me what you think. What are you using? Would you use this today? Subscribe if you find content here useful, and thanks for watching.